In this video, I will show you how to use Liner for research. So Liner is actually sort of like ChatGPT that can help you, but it's actually more intelligent. So you can access it by going over to getliner.com. So as you can see, they have in here this chat box, but for this one, we have this deep research. You can click onto this deep research right here and then enter in here what you're looking for. So for example, let's put in here genetics of mice. And then you can just click on the send icon that will give you a comprehensive reply about what you have inputted or what you have asked. So for this one, just wait for this to finish the loading process. It will identify it, and as you can see, it has a structure of how it will actually give you the data. So just wait for this. It may take some while because of its in-depth or deep research that it has. So as you can see, it also gives you reliable sources to read that these sources are actually accurate based on the data here. We have the link of those sources. So speaking of research, we have in here some accredited journals as well as government research, like for example NCBI, PubMed, Informatics, as well as Genome. So you can see in here this, and whenever you click on a specific part or sentence, you can see its actual sources, and you can see that it's actually really accurate based on the site or citation that they actually give you right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.